Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Gemini placements. So, Gemini, ibibisto ko sila sa inyo. O, di ba? Yun yung title. Okay, so it's like, yeah, let's spill the tea. Kung anong meron. Opo, so syempre, sa buwan lang ng August ito. Okay, so again, kung may mga tanong, mag-message po, no? Direct message, private message sa atin pong legit FB page, no? So yes, kasi napakadami ng gumagaya ng ating page. Sa totoo lang, alam nyo yan. O di po ba? And again, kung ang tanong ay patungkol sa private reading and sa ating mga charms. So yeah, available pa po, no? Yung ating mga charms. And yes, yung ating private reading is by booking. Okay? So, yeah, let's see. Let's start. Gemini. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Ating ibubuko. O, diba? Alam niyo yun, term na yun. Ibubuko ko sila sa inyo. Let's see. Okay. Let's get 3. Okay. May kilabot-kilabot akong nararamdaman. Anyway. Don't. So, first, boundaries respected. The other person respects your personal space and boundaries. Sorry sa glare. Okay, next, unspoken desires. O, diba? Talagang ibibisto natin kung sino tong mga to. So, unexpressed inner desire. So, sino kaya yung may ganyan, no? Pagdating sa'yo. Often hidden needs or emotion. So, unexpressed inner desires. Often hidden needs or emotions. Sino kaya yan? No? Okay, and yeah, next. Attachment issues. So, issues of attachment, either excessive or fearful, may arise. Okay, so let's see. Atin na silang ibisto. Sino ito? Okay, boundaries respected. The other person respects your personal space and boundaries. Sino yan na pwedeng gumawa sa'yo ngayong August? Sino pwedeng, or sino itong gagawa ng ganyan sa'yo? Sino itong gagawa ng ganyan sa'yo ngayong August? The Devil in reversed. Could be a Capricorn. Napakabait naman nito. Alam niya. Yeah, the 6 of Swords. Pero I think this person likes you, I think. Yeah. Kahit meron itong pangangailangan, kagustuhan, pagdating sa'yo, they could be younger. Mas bata, no? Alam nila magbigay ng boundaries. Alam nilang magbigay ng limitation sa sarili nila. Yes, andun yung word na respect. They know how to respect. Okay, so I think makikita natin medyo maglalaylo sa'yo to. Okay, medyo maglalaylo, medyo parang lalayo-layo. Okay, and yeah, habang lumalayo siya, nakikita ko na siya naman ay nakatingin pa rin. Okay, meron pa rin something. Hindi ito like totally aalis na lang. Nang parang okay, this is like disit pansit. Wala na to, cut off na to. Parang ganyan, you know. Ang nakuha ko sa kanila ay, yeah, ako ay mag-step back muna. Because, I know, kailangan mo ng boundaries, limitation, something like that. And nandun yung respeto niya for you. So, kung sino man yan, saan mga aspeto yan, love, career, whatsoever. So, goods naman. No? Oo. So, unspoken desires. Could be a Capricorn or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. So, unspoken desires. So, unexpressed inner desires, often hidden needs or emotion. So, who is this? Who is this? Hiding their needs, emotions, pagdating sa'yo. The Emperor in reverse. Some of them, this could be your employer, your boss, somebody who has a kid. May anak po, may ganyan, no? So, the Emperor in reverse. The Six of Wands. Some of you, low-key, ang paggawa ng pag-connect nito sa'yo. Low-key. Like, kunyari, hindi ka nila kailangan. And lalabas na ikaw yung mga ngailangan sa kanila. Yeah, they could have the power, no, to control the situation. Something like that. So, lalabas na or palalabasin niya na ikaw yung parang may kailangan sa kanya. Okay? Na sa totoo lang ay siya ang may kailangan sa'yo. Gusto niya siguro na yan, nandyan ka palagi, mga ganyan. Example, your boss. Hoy, Gemini, kailangan ko lagi ka nandito around ganito, ganyang oras. Kahit sabihin natin hindi mo naman nagawain yun. Pero dadagdagan naman kita ng ganyan, increase, yan. Gusto lang yan ng connection. Okay, madagdagan yung oras na kayo ay magkasama. Hindi niya palalabasin na siya yung parang may desire sa'yo. Could be a boss. Yeah, see? The manipulation. The magician. Okay? Kasi nasa kanila lahat yung parang gamit, no? The wands, the cups, sword, money. Okay? I'm so sorry sa mga nagpaplano pa lang dyan, sa mga Gemini. So, attachment issues. Issues of attachment, either excessive or fearful, may arise. Some of you po may resurface, okay, sa buwan ng August. Still, they're like, feeling the attachment. Parang ganyan, may attachments pa rin. Hindi pa rin sila nakakaalis, nakaka-move on if ever. So, who is this? Who is this? Yeah, they're stalking you right now. Right now, you're watching. So, the Page of Swords in the reverse. They're stalking you. If they are stalking you, they could be younger. The Page of Swords in the reverse. And the Ten of Swords. This is a past person. Yeah, it's a past person. Break kayo nito ngayon. Hindi kayo nag-uusap. Ayan. May pag-resurface po, ha? The Ten of Swords in the reverse. Pagbabalik yan. May issue. Okay? Meron pa rin something na hindi na fix sa situations ninyo. Yeah, see the Three of Cups. Energy ng reconciliation. So, kung sino man po itong babalik, lover man niya, ex-lover man yan, friend man yan, they have, pa rin, still, naka-attach pa rin yung energies nila sa inyo. Pero I'm seeing this person as somebody like an ex. Okay? So, there. Next! Okay, so enough with that. Enough with that. So, let's see your person, the person on your mind. Tingnan po natin, ha, kung anong meron, anong magiging ganap ngayong August dito sa taong iniisip mo. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay? Who is this? The Ten of Pentacles. Pwedeng meron kayong family nitong taong to, meron kay, or could be meron siyang money. Okay, not for all. That's specific. Pwedeng meron siyang pera as they're stable. Or pwedeng, yeah, asawa mo. Okay? So, the Ten of Pentacles. Oh. The Queen of Swords in the reverse. So, nagtaksil siya. So, Gemini, itong taong ito, could be your asawa. So, nag-cheat siya sa'yo. This is the Queen of Swords in reverse. Okay? Ito yung katotohanan na sinasabi, the Queen of Swords. Pero nakabaliktad. This could be infidelity. Parang energy to ng justice eh. Okay? Some of you magkasama pa rin kayo. Magkasama pa rin kayo, nandyan pa rin, pero nandoon yung pag-cheat. Nandoon yung pagsisinungaling, nandoon yung pagtatago, mga ganyang bagay sa buhay ng mag-partner na may third party. Okay. Let's see, ano ba talaga ang gusto niya? Ano ba talaga ang gusto? Ano talaga ang gusto? The Ace of Cups. The Empress in reverse. What? Huy. Awa to. Awa ito. Ay, yeah, see, justice lumabas oh, na naka-reversed. Specific. Gemini, itong taong to, awa na lang. At ayaw niyang nakukonsensya siya na meron siyang iniiwanan. Kaya nandyan pa rin. Para mabigyang linaw ka na lang din. No? Ang tanong madalas, bakit po ganyan? Hindi pa rin niya iniiwan yung kabit niya. Pero nandito po naman siya sa amin. Hindi naman niya kami iniiwan. Isang rason dito, hindi to para sa lahat ha, pero this is specific. Okay, pwedeng meron akong binabasahan dito like specific. Okay? Awa na lang po ito. Awa. Kaya po yan nandyan. Ha? Hindi na po ito nakakita ng progress, long term. Pero yeah, pipiliin niya magstay dahil sa awa and sa takot rin siyang makonsensya at sa karma. Okay? Alam niyang yun ay kailangan din niyang gawin. Hindi kanya para iwan, hindi kanya para talikuran. Alam niyang asawa ka, pero nakabaliktad ka na sa kanya. Sad to hear, sad to say. No? So, what is their next action? What is their next action? Six of Cups. Yeah. See, ikikip pa rin kayo, anak nyo. Pero andyan pa rin yung third party. Ayan o, may Two of Cups dyan. Hanggat kinakaya nyo po yung sitwasyon rin. Hanggat tinatanggap nyo rin po. Okay? And yeah. Kasi may pinagsamahan kayo eh. Opo. Pero hindi pa rin niya po aalisin yung third party. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Asahan nyo, talagang andyan yung hindi pagkakaintindihan. Yes. Eh kasi nandyan na lang po yan para sa mga responsibilidad. Hindi po para sa love. I'm sorry. Itong si Madam, absent na nga kahapon, ganito pa mag-reading. Wala tayong magagawa. Alangan naman. Ha? Alangan namang basahin ko ay iba sa nakikita ko. Yan, next action niya, ipagpatuloy pa rin po itong connection na to. Dahil sa, yes, nandiyan yung pinagsamahan, yeah, responsibilidad niya, may mga anak kayo. Okay? Sabihin nating magkasama, minsan naalis, pupunta siya dun sa Kabetiwa. Okay, iwanan kayo ng kauntian, and then babalik din uli. Mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Kayo ay parang mabubuhay na lamang sa maraming sikreto, pagtatago, pagdating sa ibang tao. Like, ipapakita, this is kasinungalingan eh. Ipapakita na lang sa ibang tao na, uy, magkasama pa rin kami. Pero, behind that, the Three of Cups na naka-reverse. Diba? So, alam niyo naman na yun, yung Three of Cups. May mga involved. Okay, so, let's see. Aries through Pisces for you, Gemini placements. Diyos ko, akala ko kayo mapapahinga ng kauntian. Tapos yung reading, bubugbugin na naman. No? Ay, naku po, buhay. So, Aries through Pisces for you, Gemini. So, si Aries, they want to go back. Taurus, they want reconciliation. Gemini, they want clarity. They want answers. They want a decision. Okay? A result. Cancer, they're like hiding something from you. Hiding the truth. Okay? Mga ganyang bagay. Leo, they're like stuck sa cycle. Some of them, they want to have another chance. Virgo, they don't need you. They don't need the reconciliation. You're just like, no, I don't like this. No. Parang ganon. Libra, may chance si Libra is open. Some of you, they want to communicate. They want clarity. Scorpio, gusto na makaalis ni Scorpio sa mga stress, pagkakaisip. Parang ganyan. Okay? Sagittarius, their back is turned. They're not expecting. Okay? Some of you, wala kayong inaasahan from a Sag. Capricorn, they're like practical. They're self-centered, some of them. Okay? Aquarius, parang nakalis na siya sa isang hindi magandang sitwasyon with you. Ganon. Pisces, hindi pa rin ma-accept ni Pisces kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay? They're like tired. They're tired. They're stuck. Ayun lang ang pagbabago. So, yun. Ang aking reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our every page and sa po nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.